Hi, my name is John Grimaldi. I'm the project manager for the 5000 North Ocean project. We're going to take a little walk around the building today so we can show everyone the progress we've made over the past few weeks. We are currently standing in what will be the lobby, the entrance lobby, and to the west here will be the rest of the garage, as well as the elevated arrival plaza. That is the second level of the garage, essentially. We will begin decking the second level in the upcoming couple of weeks. At the end of the day, we're going to infill between the dune and the building, so they're going to be able to walk right out and then up over on the beach. Already on this level, the view of the ocean is amazing. We're currently standing on the 7th floor of the South Seabreeze unit. Not only does this unit have an amazing oceanfront view, but on the west side it has a fantastic panoramic view of the Intercoastal and the city. I hope you enjoyed the video update that we provided today, and we will be coming back to you again in a few weeks with another update.